Those who have permission to manage schedules can create work schedules from their mobile device by going to Scheduling and tapping on the plus icon in the bottom corner. Fill in the date or dates, select the desired work start time and end time. If job costing is enabled for your company, you can designate job costing for this scheduled work entry. Selecting job costing here means that when your employee clocks in from their schedule, the job costing information will already be pre-selected for them, saving them time when clocking in. Select the employee or employees that you are scheduling. Include any instructions for the day if you want. You can also include addresses, phone numbers, websites, or Google Documents here. These instructions will appear on employee schedules and they will be able to click on any links. Choose a color for this job entry if you want, and choose to notify employees that this schedule has been created or updated. Tap Save in the upper corner. This work entry is now scheduled and will appear on your mobile and desktop devices.